Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you wildlife photography or birding photography or bird photography preset making process and how to edit that type of photography. Some of my fans just asked me and requested me to make this tutorial just because of they are wildlife photographer and they want to make the preset for edit their bird photography or wildlife photography. So if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notification. So let's start the tutorial. This one is stock image I downloaded from the deviantart.com, and I'll give all the credit lines in my video description, so check it out. And at first, as usual, I'll make copy by pressing Ctrl J for the backup purpose, just because of if you need this background locked one, you can use it in future. So at first I just made a copy and then go to the filter and camera filter. You know, the camera filter is the blessing things, and you can make more amazing things by the help of this camera filter. If you are the user of Creative Cloud version, then you are getting the camera filter by default. Otherwise you have to install it manually. CS version, the user of CS version, they can install this one manually. So you know, the Lightroom and this camera, this one is a similar one. So here all the basic things, and you can edit the photo, and you can make the preset, and you can use that preset in your next photography or the same type of photography. So here the light is too much, so that's why I'll just make the highlight a little bit down. And then the dehaze options. So from the dehaze option, you are getting here, dehaze this one a little bit and add some amount of vignetting, so it will make the bird more prominent. And then I'll go to the color. Here is the color, 4 colors. So 3 color is major in this photography. First one is the green, and second one is orange, and the third one is aqua. So let's work with it. And here the green color at first, the luminance, I'll make the down of the green color, and the hue of the green color, I'll make the hue like this. So I think this one will be more amazing just because of this one is like the aqua. So if I make it like this, so it will be more aqua, so it won't be like a kind of overlapping. So I'll make it -13, -13 or -19 or 20, that's fine. And the aqua color luminance, I'll make it down, so here, and blue as well. So those are related with each other, that's why. Now the orange color, I'll down the luminance just because of I want to make it more prominent. And now I'll increase the saturation of orange color, aqua color, and blue color. And in the other hand, I'll down the saturation of green color a little bit. That's fine. And then I'll go to the camera calibration, and here the blue, primary blue, I'll work with it, and the green as well, and the red. So that's fine. And after that, just go to the sharpening options and detail options and add some detailing and luminance of noise reduction, so it will make your bird more prominent. So now the tone curves, here is the blue tone curves, I'll make it like this. Cool color, just because of you got this picture in a warmy effects, that's why I'm making it like a little bit cool. And the RGB color mode, I'll make it like this. And that's fine. That's fine. So your bird is now in a prominent, in a like the popped up. So from here I'll just make it like blacks, decrease the blacks around -28 or like that, and whites, I'll increase the whites, and I'll decrease the variance a little bit. That's fine. And from here, like camera calibration. I'll work with green a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. I'm saving this one, and I'll give you that settings, camera raw settings, in my video description, the download link. I'm giving the name bird, and you're getting this one free of cost, and hit the OK button. So before one and after one. So the main basic thing is that when you are doing the bird photography or wildlife photography, the bird could be highlighted, or this one is our main intention, that the subject will be more prominent in photography. So in this photo you are getting all the things are like prominent, so that's why you are getting not proper value of your bird. But in this photography, you are at first your eyes and your vision is going to the bird, so this one is more eye-catchy and audience friendly. So after that, here is lots of work, so do that. Go to the gradient and take the gradient like the last one, and go to the style in a radial and make it reverse and make it move like that. If you just move it, you can move this one, just hold the mouse cursor and just drag this one. And then scale, I'll make the scale around 350, and the angle will be 0 degree, and the dither as well. So this one is like nice, so you can adjust the scale. Yeah, that's fine, and hit OK. So after that, go to the adjustment layer and solid color. From here, choose a color and go to the blending mode to soft light. So now here is the color palette, color picker actually, so you can change the effects if you need. So I'll make it like, yeah, that's fine, more highlighted. Yeah, that's fine. So before one and after one, and then I'll select these three things, make it group and make it merge. So after that, go to the adjustment layer again and go to the exposure. So adjust the exposure. The main thing of the photography is the exposure and the subject. So if you can control this one, you can get the better result. So from here, just go to the gradient map and select the gradient map, this one, and hit OK, and make this one to soft light and just decrease the fill color. Okay, and then go to the adjustment layer again and color lookup. From here, here is the Fujifilm effects, and you can decrease the effects a little bit. Yeah, that's. And now finally go to the levels options and adjust the level like that. So you are getting these type of effects. So before one and after one, you are getting the prominent photographs of your wildlife photography. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you need the presets and other stuffs, please check out my video description. And if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share. And if you have any kind of request, comment or query, please do comment on my video comment section. And until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.